Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to I.K.P Paintworks here in Peoria, Arizona. Today is the day we're finally going to deliver Ruben's 55 Chevy truck here. We're going to give it a quick wipe down with our detail products before he gets here and then send him down the road.
Sometimes it takes time for them to fall out the tree. You know it's gonna take time, baby. With impatience for fun. Why would you run when you ain't racing no one? Feel the sun. Just wanna rain, soldier on. It gets dark before the dawn. Don't make it harder. Keep your heart up. Proceed.
All right, so I'm out here with Avid Express Detail Supply Company. We're going to be giving my products a try today in hopes that we can work something out to get them in their locations. They have one here actually in my plaza that my shop's at, and one out in Scottsdale somewhere. So they're going to give this stuff a try, see if they like it, give us some feedback on it, and then we'll go from there. So what's your first name?
My name's Angel.
Frank, nice to meet you. So Angel here gave some of our products a try on my truck, and I just want to ask his opinion, what he thinks now that he's done. Never met him before, so my first time. So why don't you tell us, where's the products at? Why don't we grab the products, bring them over here. Give us your honest opinion. I guess we can start with the Primetime soap, since you started with that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so he cleans several cars. He actually has his own company doing this as well. What's the name of your company?
Maximus Detailing.
Maximus Detailing. So look him up, guys. He does a lot of cool stuff. But let's talk about this stuff here first. So the Primetime line. What do you think about that?
Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I was a little bit skeptical.
Of course.
Just to be 100% with you.
100%.
You know, whenever it comes to new products, and I'm very, very picky with what products I use. I'm very into not scratching vehicles. What works best for me, and what works best for my clients.
Sure.
This foamed up really, really good. And I only used about 2 ounces on it, and I didn't even think about it, but I got a little bit sidetracked when I was foaming it up, and I let the foam sit a little bit longer than it needed to be. But it was still foamy, it was still activating, and on top of that, you could feel the cleansing of it. It's safe on the paint, it pulls the dirt down, and it does not scratch up the paint. So far, I think it's one of the best soaps that I've used so far.
No kidding.
I'm not gonna lie to you. There's another one too that I use, but it's on par.
Good.
So it's one of the best ones.
Great, that's great to hear. I mean, so that's 3 for 3 now as far as detailers with the soap that we've actually put it in their hands, which is really great to hear. That's very important to me. It's like I've mentioned many times, the high-end cars that I work on, and some of you detailers work on, Lambos, Ferraris, etc. You got to have a good product on there. So I get it. I mean, everybody has their thing they go to, but that's why we're here to try to see if we can persuade you to use it. But let's go on to the next one here. That purple one, the waterless wash there. What'd you think of that stuff?
So this one, I thought it was more of a kind of like a waterless wash, but it actually has protection on it. I sprayed it on the vehicle. My method, it could be a little bit different than others. I like to spray it on and then rinse it off. I can tell as soon as I sprayed it on, it activated due to the beads when I washed it. Made it easier to dry, and over time you could tell it bonds really good to the clear coat, sticks on really good, and adds a nice gloss and hydrophobics.
Yep, that's exactly what it does.
I love it.
Good.
I would buy a gallon if I wanted to, and this would probably be on my arsenal.
Hell yeah, that's great. Okay, now that one there. Yep.
Carnauba.
Yep, the Boss Gloss.
Yeah. So this one, to be honest with you, it was a little bit streaky when I sprayed it on.
Okay.
It might be a little bit too concentrated.
Okay.
But it does add as a nice drying aid. You do have to watch out when you're using it. I know a lot of people like to apply it by hand. Again, my method is different.
Sure.
It was a little bit harder for me because of my method.
Okay.
It may be easier for other people,
Okay.
but I loved it. It made it super easy to dry. But with my method, I had to make sure I use it the right way.
Which is different. It's a different method than I've actually seen
Yeah.
from everybody else. But hey, that's the whole point in this, is to see, because I know not everybody's gonna be the same. Just like, I paint for a living, and not everybody paints the same too. So it's good to know and good to hear. Okay, so you definitely still like it though.
I still like it.
Okay.
I would give it an 8.5 out of 10, to be honest with you.
Hey, that's good with me. Okay, let's try that timeless touch there. You didn't get to use it a lot, but what little bit you did get to use of it.
So I used it on the trim. I just by spraying it, I could tell it's not like a greasy, shiny product.
Correct.
I put it on here.
Yep.
My clients hate greasy stuff. They all like natural stuff. I would probably use it on all my plastics. I would use it on the interior, but I hardly do interiors.
Sure.
But this is a nice plastics. I have some clients, believe it or not, who do not like tire shine. They hate tire shine with a passion. So I would probably spray this. I would keep this in my arsenal for my,
Just in
I
case
guess, high-end clients. High-end clients.
There you go. Okay. So speaking of the tire shine, now what did you think of the actual tire shine that we
This
have?
one, it's really hard to perfect the tire shine. There's 2 companies that I use. I've used multiple tire shines. Can I say the names?
I mean, if you want to, sure.
Yeah. So I've used Coach Kemi's tire shine. I've used Car Pro's tire shine. I've used McGuire's tire shine.
Okay.
This one is better than those. I'll tell you that.
Really?
Better than the Car Pro and all that. There's another one here. It's a local company.
Uh-huh.
I won't say their name. I love them too. But it sticks on just as good as theirs.
Okay.
And it's on par.
Good.
And
good.
I liked it because it was very uniform. You could tell it grabs onto the rubber really easy.
Yeah, it looked like I saw the smile on your face as soon as you put it on. Like,
Yeah,
you're like, this is good stuff.
Tire shines, I'm really picky about my tires. I scrub my tires like 4 times.
Uh-huh.
I believe it or not, I hit my tires with adhesive remover to remove the brown stuff and let it bond good. I'm honestly gonna use this for my client who dropped off his coding card today.
Well, that whole kit there is for you.
Thank you.
You put it to good use. Tag me in photos if you can.
I will.
Anything you find out about it you like or don't like, please reach out, let me know. I'm just trying to make things as good as I can, because like I said, the high-end clientele that I have, it's important for me to have the best of the best. So I appreciate your time.
Appreciate it.
Really do.
I would definitely recommend this to a lot of my clients.
Awesome.
A bunch of them love washing their cars.
Yep.
10 out of 10. I will tell you that.
Right on.
You could tell, you've done your research, you've tested. So that's honestly what I care most about products.
Yeah.
I care more about like the vision.
Yep.
And I do, obviously effectiveness is good.
Sure.
But it's always, a lot of these companies, they sell diluted, is, I guess, scam, you could say.
I would think so. Yeah, I would think it's a scam.
But this is like very like good,
Good. All right, well, that's going to do it for today, and I'm going to go in there and see the boss man in there and see what he thinks.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you.
So we got the red Dodge here all finished up, and just wanted to let you guys know that today's episode is sponsored by I.K.P Car Care.
All right, we have the Dodge here all put back together. Taylor and Dylan did a fantastic job. Now it's time to get it all cleaned up. As Taylor just mentioned, we're going to use the I.K.P Car Care, get it all dialed in, show you some video what it looks like now, and then after it's all cleaned up. All right, I'm standing here with the crew. Victor's on vacation. We got the Dodge all wrapped up. The customer just showed up. As you can see here, it looks absolutely beautiful. The guys knocked it out of the park. They busted their butts all day to make this happen for the customer and for me. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. The work speaks for itself. This is a great looking truck, and hopefully it lasts him for years to come, and hopefully he'll bring it back to have us maintain it. Speaking of maintain it, we gave it a quick detail wipe down with our products, and now it's ready to go home. So we're gonna go take the thing out front and deliver it. Okay, Taylor's pulling it out front. We're gonna go out here, meet the customer, and have him tell us what he thinks.
Live, honest reaction.
That's right. That's how we do it. There you are.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Hope you don't mind being on camera for a minute.
Okay.
Nice to see you.
Yeah.
We want to see your reaction.
Okay.
See what you guys think.
All right.
These guys have been killing it all day on your guys' truck to make it happen for you. So just want you to see it real quick.
Wow. Wow, that's great. Wow. Wow, it's better than when they had bought it.
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. Wow.
Let's get that cleaned up for you. Yeah, we have our own detail product line now as well, so we cleaned it all with that and
Wow. That's great.
got it all cleaned up for you. See how nice and smooth that is? Look at the front. So Dylan actually stripped all that stuff off. You're inquiring about painting that? Well, he stripped it and he repainted it for you.
Wow, great.
So we just took care of that for you so it looked good. We wanted to make sure it looked good when we went back together. So yeah, look at that front end.
Wow, it's
Just
amazing.
beautiful, huh?
It's amazing. It is. Holy.
Wow, that was pretty cool, huh? Those are the responses you always hope to get, especially when the guys absolutely kill themselves to make something happen like that. So I'm definitely pumped to hear that. Hopefully they'll enjoy their truck for a long time to come. Before we get out of here, just wanted to make sure that you guys didn't forget free estimates. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on the next episode.